Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust your distribution tool.
As you can see, there is a various distribution tools out there.
Most of distribution tools has a marker that how deep, how shallow, or how deep your distribution tool is. So you can adjust the right numbers for your coffee, based on your coffee. Is there a right way to set up your distribution tool? I don't know, maybe not. But personally, I like to set just below the surface. Let me show you how.
All distribution tools, you can adjust the depth. Okay, like for example, San Antonio industry, you simply move clockwise versus non-clockwise. You can adjust the height there. Okay. Personally, I like to go all the shallow as possible in the beginning. Just go shallowest, so which means clockwise. Okay. Once you got the shallow section, just lock it in. And then trying to check the depth. Okay, spin a few times. So as you can see, it's not perfect yet. So I got the empty spot right there. Got the empty spot. So let's adjust. So I'm gonna go start increase the depth. Okay. Just a little bit at a time. I'm just gonna go opposite direction. Just lock it in. Let's try again. So now we're perfect. So now we have very nicely manicured puck to temper in. Now you can go in, do the temping. It's perfect. Let's talk about gravity tools. As you can see, just use the gravity tool up and down. So this is a gravity tools from Bravo. This is a hybrid Posada distribution tool and gravity tool. As you can see, you got some little bit of Allen wrench there. Right now, I locked it. Okay, I'm locking it in, so I'm set at one setting right now, one depth. But if you want to use it as a gravity tool, just simply use your Allen wrench. Comes with an Allen wrench anyway. Just loosen up a little bit. It's become gravity tool. Okay. So what's the benefit of having gravity tool? Let me show you. Well, let's take a look. So with the Bravo, pretty much the same, doing the exactly same thing. There's actually use the gravity. They're both pretty heavy as well. So let's try with the Posada. Just gonna right on the top. Use the weight to settle in and just spins around. Okay, just let go. Give you that perfect distribution tool. Let's try with Bravo. Comes to Bravo, you have to go a couple different ways. Counterclockwise, we are trying to level it first. You're going to level. As you can see, we are leveling it. Okay. Side to side. I'm just going to level it first. Now, opposite direction, counterclockwise. Now we are going to distribute. Now you have a perfectly manicured puck there. As you can see, both gravity tools or distribution tools does exactly the same thing. Just get ready. Trying to make the smooth surface for get ready to temp. So, is that one is better than others? I don't think so. I think you can go with, it's all depend on what you like, right? You want something high end versus you want something entry level distribution tool, like Normcore. I mean, there are quite a few different brands out, but I mean, you can choose. Again, doesn't matter if you spend, $30, $40 or $150, $160 doing the same thing. So just based on your budget, and it still does a great job. Doesn't matter if you're buying a cheap one versus a high-end one. Anyway, I hope this video helps. I'm going to see you guys next time.